In this video, I will show you how to log in Belfius Bank. So if you want to log in, all you have to do, go to Google and search for Belfius Bank. You will see this official bank and then click on three line here, three line. Click this option, guys. You can see this option after down, see connecting, and then you should be download this app. So guys, this is how you can do. This is the first step you need to do. Open your app on your mobile. Click on the official website, click on three line here, click login, and when you click login, you should be download this app on Google Play or App Store. In this case, I have App Store. You should be download this app. When you download this app, you will see this login page here. Write your credit card number, search your card number here, details, and then click continue with it. So guys, this is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.